Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we're Bev and Ryan, and we share honest hotel and resort tours to help you plan your next getaway. Today, we're taking you on a full property tour of the Conrad Las Vegas at Resorts World. Sitting on the north end of the Las Vegas Strip, Resorts World is a massive multi-billion-dollar complex housing three distinct Hilton properties, the Las Vegas Hilton, Crockford's, and right in the middle sweet spot of luxury and accessibility, the Conrad. With nearly 1,496 ultra-stylish rooms and suites, and a massive 117,000 square foot casino floor, this is actually the largest Conrad property in the world. In this video, we're going to walk you through the entire resort experience, from check-in and room walkthrough to the massive 5.5-acre pool complex, dining at famous food street eats, and overall property vibes. Let's dive right in. When you pull up to Conrad, you have a dedicated entrance and valet separate from the Hilton lobby, which helps keep check-in fast and stress-free. If you're bringing a vehicle, valet parking runs $40 per day, while self-parking in the garage is $21 per day and is paid by scanning this QR code. The moment you step inside, the modern luxury is immediate. The lobby is filled with custom artwork, towering ceilings, and sleek contemporary finishings. Check-in was quick with the welcoming staff, and before you know it, we were off to our room on the 56th floor. Let's check out our room, 56269. This is a standard 2-queen room. So let's see what they have in here. So on the left side, it's your standard closet with an iron and ironing board and a luggage rack right there with a bunch of hangers. Let's close that up. And on this door is the standard bathroom. It's a little bit spacious, so toilet is in here. Let's see if it has a bidet. I don't think that's a thing in Vegas. So there's nice backlit mirror. Dual sinks. See, there's the dual sinks. And they have some nice Byredo products here. These are all locked down, because I guess people try to take them. It's kind of weird, but yeah. So Q-tips right there. And towels below, and hair dryer is right there. And it's actually a spacious walk-in shower. Let's open this up. So it's a rainfall shower with a handled option as well, right there. And more Byredo products. So your body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. And there's a bench right there. So if you want to sit down, you can do that in the shower. Let's check out the rest of the room. This full body mirror just outside the bathroom. And on this side, we have some snacks for purchase. It's Vegas, so they charge you for everything. Drinks in this fridge, but the nice thing here is they give you a small fridge to put your personal stuff, so that's nice of them. And here are the 2 queen beds. Let's see what it feels like. Very soft. And let's see if they have charging ports here in the middle. So they have a Bluetooth speaker clock here with a couple USB-A ports and wireless charging. And some more plugs here. So they have a bunch of charging ports here. That's USB-C, USB-A, and another standard outlet. And what is this? You can turn off the lights here. I'm not sure what that's doing, but oh, that's for the headboard lights. So we have the big screen TV right here and a bunch of storage shelves. Let's see, I think this one has the safe. The rest are empty for your personal items, and more storage for your luggage right there. Couple chairs here with a small table for 2, so you can enjoy the views. And we have a pretty nice view of the Fontainebleau right across the street. And there's a Stratosphere right there. And Circus is right down there below. And Las Vegas Convention Center is right there also. So very convenient to stay here if you need to go to the convention center, but very nice luxurious room here at the Conrad Las Vegas. Connecting the hotel towers and the casino floor is the District, Resorts World's sprawling 70,000 square foot retail and lifestyle promenade. Designed with high ceilings, sleek modern architecture, and giant LED screens, it functions as a central artery of the resort. It's home to luxury boutiques, specialty shops, and the majority of the property's fine dining destinations. It's also home to the Vegas Loop Station, offering a futuristic, underground Tesla transit ride that connects you directly from Resorts World to the Las Vegas Convention Center in just minutes. When it comes to dining, you don't even have to leave the property. Resorts World is packed with an incredible lineup of world-class fine dining. Here's a quick look at the top upscale spots you won't want to miss. Let's start with Brezza, which delivers stylish coastal Italian known for its handmade daily pastas, premier seafood, and an extensive Negroni bar. Carver Steak is a modern steakhouse offering dry-aged cuts, certified Japanese Wagyu, and custom craft cocktails. Copper Sun elevates Inner Mongolian hot pot with slow-simmered bone marrow broth, Wagyu, and fresh seafood. Crossroads Kitchen is the Strip's first fully plant-based fine dining restaurant, specializing in Mediterranean and Italian fare. Fuhu brings high-energy vibe dining, blending contemporary Asian flavors, sushi, and craft drinks under a striking canopy of cherry blossoms. Genting Palace is an elegant culinary destination, serving authentic high-end Cantonese dishes, fresh seafood, and exquisite dim sum. Kusanori is a chic Japanese venue featuring fresh sushi, interactive teppanyaki tables, a robata grill, and premium sakes. Stubborn Seed, led by Top Chef winner Jeremy Ford, serves bold, inventive modern American tasting menus that push culinary boundaries. Viva by Chef Ray Garcia delivers elevated Latin cuisine with bright ceviches, handmade corn masa tortillas, and vibrant shareable plates. And our last fine dining option is Wally's, which combines a gourmet market and bistro paired with thousands of fine wines. If you're looking for something quick, easy, or casual, Resorts World has plenty of fantastic options scattered throughout the property. We had breakfast at Junior's, which is an iconic New York deli. Breakfast here was good, and I definitely recommend the beef brisket sandwich along with a steak and eggs. Just make sure to try their legendary cheesecakes when stopping by. Right across from Junior's, you'll find Randy's Donuts and Suns Out Buns Out. We grabbed breakfast at Suns Out Buns Out on our second day, and I highly recommend the chicken and waffles, as well as their classic bacon and egg sandwich. And if you just need your daily caffeine fix or a quick bite on the go, there's a full-service Starbucks on the second floor. Lady M offers an upscale boutique bakery famous for its incredible multi-layered crepe cakes. Mulberry Street Pizzeria serves classic New York-style thin crust pizza by the slice or whole pie. Red Tail combines a high-energy sports lounge with arcade games, beer pong, and elevated pub fare. Over at Doghouse Saloon, you'll find a Nashville-style sports bar featuring southern pub eats, cold beer, and live music. Out of all the incredible dining on property, our absolute favorite place to eat here has to be Famous Foods Street Eats. Inspired by traditional Southeast Asian night markets, this vibrant 24,000 square foot food hall features over 16 different street food stalls from top chefs around the world. While there are tons of amazing vendors to choose from, our absolute top pick is Nori Bar, which serves handcrafted, made-to-order sushi and warm, crispy hand rolls wrapped in fresh nori. After you've grabbed a bite, Resorts World has an incredible lineup of lounges and bars to keep the evening going. Allē Lounge on 66 is the undeniable crown jewel. Perched on the 66th floor, it offers breathtaking panoramic views of the Strip, rare spirits, craft cocktails, and elevated small plates. This place gets extremely busy, so reservations are highly recommended. If you're looking for some late-night laughs, Bar Zazu is the spot. Home to Zazu Comedy Nights, it hosts a rotating lineup of touring stand-up comedians alongside handcrafted cocktails and tapas. For tobacco enthusiasts, 8 Cigar Lounge features a state-of-the-art humidor with over 150 ultra-premium cigars, an outdoor patio, and top-shelf spirits paired to match. Gatsby's Cocktail Lounge brings a high-energy vibe featuring rare champagnes, cocktails, and aromatic wines. Golden Monkey Tiki Lounge serves up inventive tropical cocktails and classic tiki classics in a fun, vibrant setting. Crystal Bar, located in the Crockford's casino area, is surrounded by sparkling crystal accents and specializes in handcrafted cocktails. For something a bit more relaxed, the Conrad and Crockford's lobby bars provide a stylish, upscale vibe, ideal for a welcome drink upon arrival or a quick nightcap at the end of the evening. And for ultimate nightlife, Zouk Nightclub and IU Day Club host world-class DJs and massive pool parties. When it's time to soak up the sun, Resorts World boasts a massive 5.5-acre pool deck with 5 distinct pool experiences to fit whatever vibe you're looking for. The main resort pool is at the heart of the deck, offering plenty of space to swim, relax, and soak in the vibrant Las Vegas energy. For maximum sunbathing, the sun-kissed pool features shallow water loungers right in the pool, letting you stay cool while catching rays. If you're looking for a bit of fun and games, the Bimini Pool offers a relaxed backyard vibe complete with giant lawn games and a breezy tropical feel. Exclusive to Crockford's guests, the Crockford's Pool delivers a peaceful, high-end escape with dedicated service. And for the ultimate luxury backdrop, the stunning Athena Infinity Pool offers an incredible infinity edge view overlooking the Strip, making it the absolute best spot for a photo op. Fueling your pool day is effortless with complete poolside dining and bar options. Agave Bar Grill serves coastal Mexican fare and tropical drinks right to your chair via mobile QR ordering. Grab quick eats at Beso del Sol, or head to Bimini Bar and the Athena VIP Bar for craft cocktails and outdoor lawn games. And if you forgot any poolside essentials, Sunkissed has you covered. When it's time to relax, stop by Awana Spa, a serene multi-sensory sanctuary known for being the first spa in the US to offer a European-inspired sauna theater. This theatrical immersive wellness experience combines heat, essential oils, and rhythmic towel choreography set to music. Resorts World also features a state-of-the-art fitness center packed with top-of-the-line live fitness cardio machines, free weights, functional training turf, and interactive Peloton bikes. Whether you're looking for a deep relaxation session or a high-intensity workout, the wellness options here are top tier. Whether you're hosting a massive convention, an executive retreat, or a wedding on the Strip, Resorts World delivers over 250,000 square feet of world-class event space. At the heart of the facility are 2 expansive, pillarless ballrooms, the Lily and Rose, complemented by flexible breakout rooms featuring state-of-the-art tech and floor-to-ceiling strip views. And for major entertainment, the Resorts World Theater seats 5,000 guests with 200 spatial speakers and an incredible multi-story LED backdrop. Weekend rates run between $220 and $450 a night, while peak event and convention pricing can easily surge past $500. Overall, we really enjoyed our stay at Conrad Las Vegas. It truly has everything you could ever need, so there's practically no reason to step foot off the property. We love the stylish modern room, the endless variety of dining options, and the spectacular 5.5-acre pool deck. If there's one downside, it's the location, sitting on the far north end of the Strip. It's a bit of a trek if you plan on walking to the main central attractions, but with world-class dining, nightlife, and amenities all under one roof, you might never want to leave anyway. So, what do you think of Conrad at Resorts World Las Vegas? Let me know in the comment section. If you found this tour helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and see you on our future adventures.